Hello, my dear children. Children, welcome to your moral science class. Today we are going to read chapter number 4, Late for the Event. Children, what do you think? What is the most precious thing in this world? Do you think silver, gold, diamonds, and even most valuable treasures, they are more valuable? They are more costly? They are more precious? No, my dear children. Nothing is precious than time. Time is more precious than anything in this world, maybe gold, silver, or any other precious thing in this world. So, we should always utilize our time. So, we should always manage our time properly. We should not waste our time. In this chapter, we are going to learn the importance of time. So, what we are going to learn from this chapter, that nothing is ours except time. Because if time is lost, then we won't be able to get the success. So, let's read this conversation and please tell me, what do you learn from this conversation? Here, one son and his mother, they are talking among themselves. The son is saying, why are they counting? They are watching one video in which rocket is to be launched. So they both are watching the video in the television and they are talking among themselves. Why are they counting the number backwards? Mummy, it is a countdown. So whenever any rocket is launched, there is countdown. Okay, so why do they need a countdown? The time of the rocket launch is fixed, not a second here or there. So if anything has to be done, that we should be very particular in time, especially in such type of events. And if they don't value time, their mission won't be successful. Remember children, even sometimes a single minute, if we are late even for a single minute, we may lose so many important things. So we should never ignore time. We should always recognize the importance of time. So let's start the story. It was the annual jungle festival. All the animals were excited about the event. Elephant, let us start planning the festival. Deer, yes, it is up to us to make it a grand event. Monkey, excitedly. Excitedly means very eagerly. Animals from the other jungles will also be attending. Rabbit, I have composed a song to sing at the festival. So Rabbit has framed one song which he wanted to sing at that festival. Monkey in a suggesting tone, I will collect funds by swinging from one branch to another. Hippo in a relaxed one, in a relaxed tone, I will also contribute. So others, they are just marking, and themselves they are voluntarily, they are telling that what they will do the duty. But Hippo, he is simply saying that I will also contribute, that I will do something. Elephant frowning. How? Frowning means little angry. I hope you don't let us down like that last year. So elephant was seemed to be little angry with Hippo, because in last year's this festival event also, maybe Hippo has not done the things properly. No? So elephant was little bit angry with Hippo. Monkey, you were in charge of decorations last year and you reached so late that the event had started by then. We could not even decorate the stage. So Monkey was also angry with Hippo. So he said that last year you were given the duty to decorate, do all the decorations, but you did not, reach at time. And the event started. So we were not able to decorate the stage properly. Hippo playfully, I got caught up with some work last year. So, in a very relaxed way, Hippo said that he was busy in some work. Now, next, Rabbit. You can't give such an excuse. There is something called punctuality. You have to do things on time, otherwise, they lose their relevance. Relevance means importance. So, whenever children we are given any work, if we don't do that work on time, then it loses its importance. So it's very important that we should be punctual. Hippo, irritated. Okay, fine, I will do the work in time. Dear, I don't trust you at all. Rabbit. Yes, once bitten, twice shy. Once bitten, twice shy means that if a person who has failed or been hurt when trying to do something is careful or fearful about doing it again. So they all wanted to be careful to give any duty to Hippo. Okay, so it means once bitten, twice shy means that if we have failed in doing something, next time we will be more careful. So everybody in the jungle knows your habit. Hippo, I give my word this time. So Hippo is saying that I promise this time that I will do my work. Elephant, all right, friends, let us distribute our responsibilities. Deer will arrange the cold drinks. Rabbit will take care of the food. Monkey will collect funds and look after the stage decoration. Hippo will arrange the mic. I will coordinate with all of you. Are all of you ready to make the event successful? All of them excited. Yes. Everyone started working for the festival. Somebody put up the balloons. Some others laid table for snacks and somebody decorated the stage. Hippo left for arranging the mic and the speakers. Elephant, please come back on time, Hippo. So Hippo is going to arrange for the mic and speakers and Elephant is telling Hippo to come back on time. Hippo casually, again Hippo was in a relaxed mood. Na? Don't worry, I will. As the time passed by, all the animals got more excited and nervous. 4 hours passed and Hippo did not return. The event was supposed to begin in half an hour, and without the mic and the speakers, it wouldn't be possible to begin it. The animals knew they had been let down by Hippo once more. Elephant asked Monkey and Deer to quickly go and fetch the sound equipment from a shop. So, because Hippo has not returned back on time, so Elephant gave this duty to Monkey and Deer to go and find out some, sound equipment. And a few kilometers away, they found that equipment. Had they not arranged for the mic at the last minute, it would have been very embarrassing for the jungle. The event finally started. There were stage performances, speeches, great food, and good music. Everybody enjoyed a lot. After the event, when the animals were removing the decorations and winding up, Hippo returned. He was shocked to see that the event had got over. All the animals looked at him with disappointment. So, all the animals were very angry with Hippo because again he has put them down. Hippo, with a fake smile. Hi, I searched for the mic and speakers everywhere. I couldn't find them. Elephant, without losing his temper. Elephant, in a very cool way. What he said? If you could not find them, why didn't you return in time? Hippo, hesitatingly. I dozed off. Dozed off means I felt tired and I slept. I was tired, so I thought I would take some rest and return to help you. Bear, but we all waited for so long. Monkey, we can never trust you to keep your word. Hippo hung his head in shame. He had let his friends down again. So, children, did you understand the importance of time? Since time is very precious, so we should manage and spend it wisely because it improves our work life balance and increases happiness. If we have done any work in time, you will feel so happy. And it is more important. The effective time management helps students to complete more work in less time because their attention is focused and they waste less time in distractions such as social media. So I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.